Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to welcome you back to another What's for Dinner. This is everyone's favorite day of the week, and I am so excited to share with you guys what we had for dinner and show you some simple recipes. We cooked up some yummy stuff this week, so I'm so excited for this week's What's for Dinner. That's enough chit chat. Let's hop into today's What's for Dinner. Tonight for dinner we are going to be having orange chicken and fried rice, and I have never made this before, so I'm excited to see how this is all going to play out. So I just have some chicken breast here, some orange marmalade, some barbecue, some soy sauce, 2 eggs, some flour, and some cornstarch to start right now. I also have some minute rice going, just some brown rice. But for now, I'm gonna cut up these chicken breasts into some chunks. And then I also have my oil heating up in my cast iron skillet. So in this bowl over here, I'm just gonna take 2 eggs and put them in here and whisk them together. And this is just gonna be to coat our chicken, because we're gonna fry up our little chicken pieces. Okay, so I only ended up using 2 chicken breasts because we just won't eat all those chicken breasts. I'll put the other one in the freezer. And now I'm just adding probably about 3 or 4 cups of flour. And then I'm gonna take probably about 1 cup of cornstarch just to help it give it some thickness. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. Now we've got our chicken in here. I'm just gonna mix this around and make sure these chicken bits get nice and coated. So now I'm just gonna start tossing these into the flour mixture and get them nice and coated. And then we're gonna fry these babies up. And y'all, I use my hands because it's just easier. If you don't like to touch the chicken, that's totally personal preference, and you guys can use a fork or whatever you wish. All right, get your chicken nice and coated in your flour mixture, because that's what's gonna make it, you know, more crispy. Got our cast iron, our skillet over here. This is all nice and coated, so we're just gonna start tossing them in, frying them up. This is not a meal that's going to be clean friendly. Definitely gonna have flour everywhere. It's like when you make fried chicken. Okay, so while the rice is finishing cooking and the chicken cooks, we're gonna start on our sauce. And I'm gonna take 2 cups of barbecue sauce, and I just have the Great Value barbecue sauce. Whatever one you like will be just fine. I guess this whole bottle is 2 cups worth. Okay, then we're going to take 2 cups of the sweet orange marmalade, however you say it. I don't even know.
Smells good.
Okay, so I just took that whole jar. Use that. And then now I'm going to take some garlic powder. About a tablespoon. All right, now we're just going to stir this up. Turn the heat up to, I have mine about 7. All right, so now I've got the chicken is all nice and fried up. I just drained the grease off. I'm going to pour it into this mixing bowl here. And then I'm going to take our sauce, pour it over top. Get it all nice and coated. All right, so now we're going to start on our fried rice. And I'm going to cook an egg and I'm going to scramble it. All right, now that our veggies are soft, we're just going to add about another tablespoon of butter. Turn that heat down. And then now I'm going to add the rice. This is about 6 servings of rice. It was 3 cups of dried rice, but then it's like 6 servings of rice once it's cooked. So now we're just gonna fry that up and get that rice nice and fried. We're gonna add our egg back in here. Now I'm gonna take 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and add that to the rice. All right guys, this is what our orange chicken and fried rice looks like. I'm gonna let the kids and Toby try it and then tell you what they think about it. It smells delicious, so let's see. Is it good?
Good.
Good? Delicious. It's good, y'all. So good. Gotta try it. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making something super yummy and awesome. So we're gonna be making some cheesy fajita French fries, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So I've just got my cast iron over here, and I'm just gonna put some EVOO in there and get that nice and hot and ready to go. So we can put our fajita meat in there. Now I bought this fajita meat at Walmart and they already seasoned it. And so I've never tried it like this before, but I'm excited to try it. But it's not in really small chunks like I would like it to be. So I'm just going to cut it up into smaller pieces. Okay, so while that cooks, we are going to start our crinkle fries. I'm using these seasoned crinkle fries, and I'm just going to put them into my air fryer on 400 degrees. Okay, so while the fries cook and the meat gets all ready to go, we're gonna start cutting up our veggies. So I've just got some Pablano peppers and then a red pepper here. Okay guys, this is what is for dinner tonight. I just have French fries, some of the fajita mix, and some queso, which I will leave my recipe down below. I've made it so many times, but if you're new here, I will leave the recipe down below for you guys. And then just some pico de gallo, or however you say it. And that's it. This is so, so good. This is what is for dinner tonight. Let's eat. Hey guys, so tonight for dinner, we're just kind of fitting for ourselves because I want this cabbage sausage skillet, and not everybody likes it. So, this is what Brooklyn and I are gonna have, and then Toby's knee is hurting him tonight, so he's not really that hungry. And Boston is making himself some ramen noodles. This is like a real life what's for dinner night. I was so tired. I did not get home till like almost 3 o'clock in the morning, you guys, because my sister and I went to go see Cardi B in concert. So when I got home from work today, I took myself a little nappy nap. Now I just have a head of cabbage. I'm just gonna like tear this up and put it into my oil with my potatoes. And then I picked up this Cajun sausage. We've never had it before, but I'm excited to try it, and I'll let you guys know what we think. Okay guys, this is what we are having for dinner tonight. I wish I would have put more cabbage in it. I always forget that cabbage cooks down so much, and so this time I should have added more cabbage. Usually I add a lot, and this time I didn't for whatever reason, but I just I just pour a little bit of mustard on mine, and it is perfection. So let me try this sausage so I can tell y'all what I think. That sausage is delicious. It's so good. It has a really nice like Cajun-y type flavor to it, just like I expected. It's really good. It's not super spicy or anything like that, but it's delicious. So that's what's for dinner tonight. Let's eat. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we're gonna be making taco soup, and all you're gonna need is some onion, diced tomatoes. I've got fire roasted diced tomatoes. Most of the time I like to use diced tomatoes with the green peppers in it, or green chilies. That one's really good, but use whatever you wish. Some chili beans, some black beans, some cumin, some chili powder, some minced garlic, some chicken broth, and then also a pound of hamburger meat. You also need a can of corn, which I forgot at the grocery store, but I am not about to go to the store, so we're just gonna do with what we have, you guys. Do with what we have. So let's get started. Okay guys, so while our hamburger meat is browning, we're just gonna take our chicken broth in our pan right here. I use a whole 32 ounce container of chicken broth. I'm gonna turn that on to high. All right, so I drained my black beans, drained my chili beans. Then I'm gonna add the can of roasted diced tomatoes and a can of just regular diced tomatoes. So while the meat is browning, I'm gonna take about a tablespoon minced garlic, and I'm gonna use that while my meat is browning. I like to use my minced garlic while I'm browning the hamburger meat in there, because I feel like when it gets super hot like that and it's browning, it just really brings out the flavor of that garlic. Okay, so now I'm gonna slice up some onion, or dice up some onion. And I'm also going to be putting this into the hamburger meat as it browns as well. Because like I said, I just feel like when you're browning your hamburger meat like that and you add like your onions and your garlic, it just brings out so much of the flavor. Okay, so we have strained the grease from our hamburger meat. So we're just gonna dump all that in here. I'm gonna give this a good stir. It's nice and hot. It smells so good. This is so much better when you add corn. Y'all don't forget your corn. So then you're gonna add about a tablespoon of chili powder. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin. Give that a nice stir. So I found a small jar or a small can of green chilies in my pantry, so I thought that would be good. And so I'm gonna add that in there. Yes, that looks delicious. Add some green in there. So now we're just gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes and get it nice and hot and let all those flavors cook, and then we're gonna have some dinner. Okay guys, this is what our taco soup looks like. I just added some sour cream and some cheese to mine. It smells so good and it's so delicious, but like I said, don't forget your corn because it makes it super yummy. So that's what's for dinner tonight. Let's eat.